Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, November 13th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening in regular math. Independent practice 6.1, it's pages 153 and 154. You're doing problems 13 through 18 only. Make sure if any of those problems have an A, B, or C that you're doing all parts. Make sure that we are using our journal and we are creating ratios where we are writing words first. In honors math, there is no homework. In science, we have an optional review for regular ed science with our Chapter 4 test tomorrow. I highly suggest doing that optional review. And in the honors science, we have an assignment called Great Combinations. In social studies, we've got our Mesopotamian creation scene. That can be found via Google Classroom. In language arts, we've got our writing process study guide as our test is coming up on Thursday. Make sure you are reviewing your notes. In literature, our character activity is due tomorrow for our book club. Hopefully you've gotten that done. You've had plenty of time to work on it. You also need to bring colored pencils for class tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and it is our mix and match day for our fundraiser for FCCLA, which we're raising money for the veterans for the honor flight. That is it for today. Make it a good one.